Right, I think I've more or less figured it out. I can't seem to find where this piece might fit. It might be nothing to do with it, although it has got those stripes on it. There's a couple of spaces over there that look like they've got something missing. This is very noisy when it's running, but I'll probably be turning the sound down anyway because you can hear the rain in the background as well. And what it does, this little unit goes along the track, picks up one of the bodies and then drives it around, and it goes back again, drops off that body, picks up the next body, drives that one around, drops that one off, picks up the next body, drives that around, and back again, swaps bodies again, does a little bit of left and right to turn itself the right way round. I think the idea is they're supposed to be transporting something in here, probably little marbles or something like that. And I think they're dispensed from that box, picked up. There's a little lever there that seems to move them, but I can't quite figure out how that works. But I think that's supposed to drop them down underneath. Can't quite figure it out. I've no doubt if I check online I'll probably find a proper working version. But I'll set it running. I have to give it a little tap occasionally because it does get stuck on the corners. But it looks like fun. I'm not quite sure which way round he should be pointing. Right, so I say it's a bit noisy. Doesn't sound too bad up here, but when it's down there the tyres are slipping on the plastic surface. There's obviously something else slipping in there as well. Right, I think it's supposed to deliver into that red bit there because the back just tipped up. There's a little chute down there, and I think it's supposed to drop out there, and then later on it's scooped up by this digger thing. That's where it gets stuck. If I leave it long enough it'll get round, but I'll give it a push. Right, now I think it's supposed to dump into there. So it sort of works, but not quite. See, that little flag thing was supposed to be pointing down to operate the hopper. I think you get the idea. So it doesn't quite work, but it does look like fun. Okay, that'll do. After all that filming last night, I've had a look on YouTube and I've actually seen videos of this working properly, and the bit that I couldn't figure out where it went, this piece here, fits just here. So this guy goes backwards, the power unit goes underneath, comes round here, the scoop or shovel comes round, it's pushed up here, and then it drops whatever it is it's picked up into here, and then that, because that would be sitting there, would roll off into there. So I think it's sort of small marbles, but I haven't got any the right size to try. So if I just put that on there and set it going, remember it's noisy. There he goes. Oh. Right, so that was the one bit of the jigsaw that I couldn't find last night when I was playing with it. That piece went there. So there. I'll put some links in the video description to somebody else's video of one that works well. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.